Hello, my name is Najwa Soraya. Today I want present Project 1, Applied Linguistic. Development of Applied Linguistic. Definition of Applied Linguistic. There is no single, universally accepted definition. Applied Linguistic is an academic discipline concerned with solving real-world language problems. Its main focus is on mediating between linguistic theory and linguistic practice in contexts such as education, law, work, and public policy. Wilkins, 1999, page 7, Applied Linguistics is concerned with increasing understanding of the role of language in human affairs. Key areas of focus: second language acquisition and pedagogy, language-related decision-making in various contexts, classroom or workplace. History and development. Emerged in the 1950s, originally focused on language teaching. Over time, its scope expanded to include language planning, translation, discourse analysis, language in media, and workplace communication. Two major influences. Number 1, theoretical linguistics, example phonology and syntax. Number 2, social and cognitive sciences, example psychology, sociology, and education. Scope of applied linguistics. Diversity of areas, discourses analysis, assessment, bilingual education, language and technology. 28 area leads in the 2011 AILA conference. Dominant application, second or foreign language teaching and learning. Other subdisciplines: literacy, speech pathology, interpreting and translating, authorship identification, and forensic linguistics. Key characteristic of applied linguistics. Problem-based, aim to solve practical language-related problems. Theorizing discipline, not purely theoretical, but build theory from practical experience. Multidisciplinary, draws on theories and methods from many fields. Ethical concerns and social role. Applied linguistics has become increasingly concerned with ethics, social inequality, and language access. Face a dilemma between giving advisory recommendation based on research and taking political action to address injustice. 20th century methods and shifts. Early 20th century. 1. Grammar translation method, focus on analysis, not use. 2. Direct method, focus on oral language, listening or speaking. 3. Reading method, vocabulary management. World War II, audiolingualism, oral or oral skills, habit information. Developments in assessment. Traditional criteria: validity, reliability, practicality. Message influence. Validity as a complex concept, considering stakeholders and consequences. Alternative assessment, observation, portfolios, self-assessment. The challenge of defining applied linguistics. Two main approaches. 1. Ostensive definition, look at what applied linguists do. 2. Conceptual definition, it deals with how language knowledge informs real-world decision-making. If too broad, it risks being called the science of everything language-related. Initial focus and expansion. Initial focus on language teaching like TASOL, EFL, and SLA. Now includes topics like 1. Language policy, citizenship and language identity, linguistic justice, and literacy in multilingual contexts. Case studies, example of applied linguistic topics. Language program evaluation, literacy acquisition in second language, language and identity, language in media, workplace communication, and critical applied linguistic like emphasizing power, inequality, and social change. Technology and applied linguistic, computer-assisted language learning, individualized learning, and interactive programs. Corpus linguistics, analysis of large language database, insight into language patterns. Conclusion. Applied linguistics is a discipline focused on solving real-world language problems. It developed from language teaching into a multidisciplinary field that integrates theory and practice. Although it is difficult to define precisely, its strength lies in a reflective, ethical, and critical approach to language use in various contexts.